Welcome. In front of me is a REALME GT8 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So, to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top right side of your screen like so, and this will pull down all the toggles. Now, well, not all actually. But somewhere in here, by default, we should have the Do Not Disturb mode visible. For me, it is on the first page right over here. Just know that there's multiple pages. And if you can't find it on any of the pages, you will definitely be able to add it by clicking right here on this pencil, clicking on the plus, and then finding it somewhere in this list. Once you find it, you just simply tap on it. You can see it gets added, and from there, click on Done. And it stays. So once you have your Do Not Disturb mode in here, first time, I recommend holding it. When you do, it extends it, and now you can select more settings. This will take you obviously to the settings where you can customize a couple things, like for instance schedule mode. So in here you can create multiple schedules, and if you're planning to use any of them, once you set them up, just toggle them on like so. And you do have the option to set the start and end time, and also what days of the week you want it to run during. Now I will actually create one schedule in here, and I would recommend maybe doing the same thing, which will make it a little bit clearer later on once I explain what we're or why we did this. Set one up sometimes in whatever time period where you know that it won't annoy you or you won't notice it turning on. So for me, that'll be somewhere in the middle of the night. So I will select something like 2 a.m. to 2:01 a.m. Now, I'm setting it deliberately just for a single minute and every single day of the week. Oops, I just closed it like a moron. So let's try that again. 1:01, cool, every day. Yep, there we go. So now this is enabled, and that's how I like to set it up, because there is an option missing that other devices have. So we're basically just solving a problem for manual usage. Now, before I refer to this later on the schedule, we can continue on with the settings. And in here we have calls and messages. Both together, you have just a single option to choose from. So, or single option to choose out of the 4, more like this. So we have none, everyone, contacts, or favorite contacts. So these are the people that will be able to bypass the Do Not Disturb mode. So you can select whichever one you want. I will select none, as it makes, as it would refer better to the last option, which is ring for repeated callers. So if someone calls you twice within a 3-minute period, whatever you have selected right here, which for instance right now no one should be able to call me, but if they do that twice within a 3-minute period, they will bypass this option. So this is pretty good in terms of emergencies. Usually people will spam call you till you pick up, so this would allow them to actually reach you somehow. While without this, they will be calling you, and you might just get kind of like a little notification later on or something like that someone tried to call you, or just automatically going to go to voicemail. Actually, I haven't ever tested it out, but in any case, this would bypass this, which is great. And lastly, we have applications. You can select what applications won't be affected by the Do Not Disturb mode. Anyway, once everything is set up, we can just close this up. And now let's find the toggle and simply tap on it. Now, first time around, it will show you this pop-up, turn on Do Not Disturb, and Do Not Disturb mode. You will only receive notifications for alarms, timers, and calendar events. And this is completely factually incorrect, because depending on how you selected calls and also options for the repeated callers and messages, obviously you will be receiving either one of those depending on how you set it up. And in this case, even the way I set it up, it's inaccurate, because if someone calls me twice, I will still be receiving a call. Anyway, we're going to select turn on. You can see it right here show up for a moment, and you also have this icon that indicates that it's right now running. Now, we can now go back to the idea of setting up that schedule for single minute. This mode runs indefinitely in the background when you turn it on like this. If you use it as a schedule, you don't need to do anything. The phone will turn it on and off for you. But if you turn it on manually, like I just did, if I don't remember to turn it off once I'm done needing it, this will just run and run. And that schedule that I set up for a single minute at 2 a.m. will ensure that even when I forget about it, at 2 a.m. it's going to attempt to turn it on, but it is already enabled if I forget about it. And a minute later, it's going to actually turn it off because it's supposed to. That's the timer. So this would give me a little bit of a peace of mind that at least next day this mode is turned off, and I don't need to worry about remembering to turn it off and it running indefinitely in the background. So like I said, just a kind of precaution in case you ever forget to turn it off. And to turn it off, if you remembered about it, all you need to do is just find this toggle and tap on it, and you can see it's now off. And that's about it. So in any case, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.